Welcome back students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn a new chapter, Unit 8, Place Value, Ordering and Rounding. Powers of 10. In this chapter we are going to learn multiply and divide whole numbers and decimals by 10 to the power of any positive or negative integer. You already know that 10 the power of 1 is 10 and 10 square is 100, 10 the power of 3 is 1000. And from indices chapter you learn n the power of 0 is 1 and n the power of minus 1 is 1 over n. In the place of n we will put the number 10, so we get 10 the power of 0 is 1 and 10 the power of minus 1 is 1 over 10. It is equal 0.1 and 10 the power of minus 2 is 1 over 10 square, or it is equal 1 over 100. So we can rewrite the headings of the usual place value table like this. 10,000 is same as 10 the power of 4, 1000 is same as 10 the power of 3, 100 is same as 10 square, 10 is same as 10 the power of 1, and unit 1 is 10 the power of 0, 1 over 10, or 0.1 is same as 10 the power of minus 1, 1 over 100, or 0.01 is same as 10 the power of minus 2, 1 over 1000, or 0.001 is same as 10 the power of minus 3. Since 200 is 2 multiplied by 100, but 100 we know 100 is 10 square. So 200 we can write it as 2 multiplied by 10 square. Same like this, 60 is 6 times 10, but 10 is 10 the power of 1, so 60 we can write 6 multiplied 10 the power of 1. Similarly, 5 as 5 multiplied by 1. 1 is 10 the power of 0, so 5 we can write 5 multiplied 10 the power of 0. And 0.3 is 3 times 0.1, so 0.1 is 10 the power of minus 1, or 1 over 10. So we can write 0.3 as 3 multiplied 10 the power of minus 1. 0.04 as 4 times 0.01, but 0.01 is 1 over 100, or 10 the power of minus 2. So 0.04 we can write it as 4 multiplied 10 the power of minus 2. 0.007 as 7 times 0.001, but 0.001 is 1 over 1000, or 10 the power of minus 3. So 0.007 we can write 7 times 10 the power of minus 3. Positive powers of 10. When you multiply by positive powers of 10, the decimal point move to the right. When you multiply by negative powers of 10, the decimal point will move to the left. For example, 8.265 multiply 10 the power of 1. 10 the power of 1 is same as 10. So 8.265 multiply by 10. When you multiply by 10, the decimal point shift one place to the right. So 82.65. 8.265 multiply by 10 square. When you multiply by 10 square, or 100, the decimal point shift 2 place to the right. It will come 826.5. When you multiply by negative powers of 10, for example 10 the power of minus 1, 398.26 multiply 10 the power of minus 1. In this case, the decimal point move one place to the left. So 39.826. When you multiply 10 the power of minus 2, the decimal point move 2 place to the left. Example here, 398.26 multiply 10 the power of minus 2 is 3.9826. Multiplying whole numbers and decimals by powers of 10. You already know how to multiply by 1000, 100, 10, 0.1, or 0.01. I will give you some more examples to revise this and show how you can use it to multiply by powers of 10. Look at the examples. 7 times 10 cube. 10 cube is 1000, so 7 times 1000 is 7000. Same way, 7.5 multiply 10 the power of 3 is 7.5 multiply 1000. It's 7500. 8.36 multiplied 10 square. 10 square is 100, so 8.36 multiplied 100 is 836. 9.3 multiplied 10 the power of 1. 10 the power of 1 is 10. So 9.3 multiplied 10 is 93. 4.8 multiplied 10 the power of 0. 10 the power of 0 is 1. So 4.8 multiplied by 1 is the same number, 4.8. 7.3 times 10 the power of minus 1. 10 the power of minus 1 is 1 over 10 or 0.1. So 7.3 multiplies 0.1 is 0.73. 5.38 multiplied 10 the power of minus 1. 5.38 multiplies 0.1 or 1 over 10. You can do 5.38 divided by 10. It will be 0.538. 6.4 multiply 10 the power of minus 2. 6.4 times 0.01 or 1 over 100. In this case, instead of multiplication, you can do divided by 100. 6.4 divided by 100, it is 0.064. 7.81 multiply 10 the power of minus 2 is 7.81 multiply 0.01. It's equal 0.0781. 6.49 multiply 10 the power of minus 3. 10 the power of minus 3 is 0.001 or 1 over 1000. So 6.49 multiply 0.001 is 0.00649. 4.3 multiply 10 the power of minus 5. So 4.3 multiply 0.00001. It is same as 0.000043. Dividing whole numbers and decimals by powers of 10. You already know how to divide whole numbers and decimals by 1000, 110, 0.1, 0.01. I will give you some more examples to revise this and show how you can use it to divide by powers of 10. 2.38 divided by 10 the power of 3. 2.38 divided by 10 the power of 3 is 1000, so it will become 0.00238. 2.38 divided by 10 square. 10 square is 100, so 2.38 divided by 100 is 0.0238. 2.38 divided by 10 the power of 1. 10 the power of 1 is same as 10, so it will come 0.238. 2.38 divided by 10 the power of 0. 10 the power of 0 is same as 1, so the same number. 2.38 divided by 10 the power of minus 1. It will come 2.38 divided by 0.1. When you divide by 0.1 or 1 over 10 is same as multiply by 10. So in this case we can do 2.38 multiply by 10. It will come 23.8. 2.38 divided by 10 the power of minus 2 is same as 2.38 divided by 0.01. You know that when divided by 0.01 is same as multiply by 100. So it will come 238. 2.38 divided by 10 the power of minus 3 or 10 the power of minus 3 is 0.001. So 2.38 divided by 0.001 is same as 2.38 multiplied by 1000. It is equal 2380.